Albuquerque police officer faces up to a year in jail after pleading guilty to making a huge mistake in court during a DWI case. Court records show the officer lied on the stand, then spoke to a fellow officer who was also a witness in the case. That's what landed him in trouble. News 13's Nancy Laughlin is live in the Newsplex with the story.
Diane, the officer already pled guilty to contempt of court. He's going to be sentenced tomorrow morning.
When you search the internet for Officer Yoki Marks, it shows his stellar resume. An Albuquerque police officer, an Army specialist, awarded a Medal of Achievement and an Anti-Terrorism Service Medal. But tomorrow he will be served with something very different, sentencing for criminal contempt. It all began in a DWI case July 1st, 2008. Marks and another officer pulled over Caitlin Schroeder for suspected drunk driving. The bust happened on I-25 and led. The case went to court the following April. Marks was testifying in court in front of Metro Court Judge Sandra Engel, and according to court records, here's where he makes a mistake. Marks changed his testimony and said that his partner was driving the patrol car when they arrested Schroeder. He said he changed his testimony because he suddenly recalled that his partner was the driver. Then his partner testified and said he reminded Marks who was driving during a conversation they had that day after Marks called him. That's a big no-no. The two APD witnesses were not supposed to discuss the case. The judge slapped Marks with criminal contempt of court.
Marks pled guilty to the misdemeanor in May. He is supposed to be sentenced tomorrow. As for that suspected drunk driver, her case was dismissed, and we're not sure yet if it's because she blew under a .08 or if it's because of what happened in court. Back to you.
Thank you, Nancy. The city attorney's office says that Officer Marks has been on desk duty for 2 years now. After his sentencing tomorrow, the city personnel board will decide if Marks has a future at APD.